Hey, Sig from SPM Wealth here. In June 2024, we held an in-person career workshop for professionals seeking to level up in their careers or their businesses using AI. The workshop went extremely well, and the demand for a follow-up poured in. To reach a bigger audience, we decided to repurpose the workshop content into a mini course. As for my background, I've worked in the financial services industry for the past 12 years. I've had the privilege of witnessing the industry's transformation from physical trading floors to predominantly automated trading models. More recently, I've been able to observe the integration of AI, in particular machine learning, as well as natural language processing techniques, into the quantitative-based investment models that help investors identify opportunities. Having used AI in my own work, I wanted to demonstrate how other professionals can use it for everyday tasks as well. This workshop, or in this case, the mini course, is for those who want to learn how to enhance their skill sets, increase their career prospects, and unlock new opportunities by utilizing this new technology. So before we discuss the technical aspects of AI, I do want to highlight the differences between today's technologies and the previous waves of disruptive innovation that technology has brought on. Since the Industrial Revolution, technology has brought in waves of disruptive innovation. The first wave introduced manufacturing technology. The second wave, advanced metal refining, which led to the rail industry. Next, the technology behind electricity and the internal combustion engine revolutionized utilities in the auto industry. The fourth wave brought aviation technology, which transformed travel and commerce. Following that, the fifth wave emerges the World Wide Web, or what many call today Web 1.0. Today, we're experiencing the sixth wave of innovation. So this wave is marked by digitization, artificial intelligence, robotics, and other technologies. In this wave of disruptive technology, or disruptive innovation, workflow tasks will become streamlined, and automation will likely cut down production time. So Dorothy Neufeld, an editor at The Visual Capitalist, wrote an article back in 2021 describing the potential system automation, predictive analytics, and data processing opportunities that AI would present in the coming years. Funny enough, AI has become so powerful so quickly that the conversation about it being helpful as a nice-to-have tool has shifted. Just 2 years later in 2023, the CEO of NVIDIA claimed during a fireside chat at Columbia, AI is not going to take your job. The person using AI is going to take your job. In just 2 years, from 2021 to 2023, we've begun to see how rapidly the conversations around AI from being nice to have to being a necessity have shifted. Some believe it'll become so ingrained in our professional and personal lives that in just 5 short years from now, the US military will deploy Skynet. While I'm obviously kidding about this, Skynet in the Terminator movies was a highly sophisticated AI defense system that eventually became self-aware, took over, and then caused human extinction. You know, AI in its current state is more of a feature for existing products than it is a self-aware AI that can cause any real damage. But you never know, a lot can change in 5 years. So let's get to the workshop agenda, or what we'll be covering in this mini course. So over the next 45 minutes, we're going to cover 3 key areas to help you level up your career using AI. If you want to follow along, you can scan the barcode, just take a picture of it, and you'll be able to have the slides. You'll be able to download them. So we'll start with a high-level overview to simplify the technical aspects of AI. Again, this content was repurposed from a workshop, so there will be no intermission here. You can just skip to the next video. But the next section there will be focusing on prompt engineering techniques, and we're going to use 2 examples. We're going to use one for a person making a career transition, and then the other for an educator. Back at the workshop, we had quite a few teachers that joined, so we were able to tailor the content to the audience in the workshop. Then finally, we'll utilize the AI technology to craft and revise our resumes. And this is something that everyone can benefit from, no matter where you are or what you do. So all right, let's jump into the AI overview.